So here is Country Inn near Clifton Victoria Inn. This is the parking, fully covered in snow, all the cars. Nice place, and I'll give you the walk around of the area. So I have taken parking from the hotel, but above to the next side also there's public parking, and on this side also there's parking. This way from there goes to USA too. Okay, a lot of hotels are here, like Super 8 is there just straight to me, and Louis Tussard, Waxwork. Here you can see Niagara SkyWheel also from here. And hotel parking is ample. Still there are so many parking spots left. Today is 31st and I don't know why there is no crowd. To be honest, I have always seen more crowd than this, but that's okay, it happens. This is how it looks from my hotel gate. There's a Christmas tree everywhere. Yeah, the street is fully covered with snow. Traffic is really less, but let's see how the stroll is gonna be. So it's full of snowy here. I'm going towards Clifton Hill. This is Sheraton, this is Casino, and that way goes to USA. Cars are still moving, but traffic is really less, no doubt. And there's a firework today at 2 times tonight. The snow is so much that even road markings are not clearly visible. Even the like people are walking around, but it's not much. There's nothing. If I talk about traffic here, very hardly few people I see here today. Like
your sense of well-being, come and find out. You will now see
crowd is almost negligible I see here. Even on ordinary day I find more people here, but today, although it is a New Year Eve, I don't see crowd much here. Okay, yeah, there are so many hotels. I tried for this hotel, but I did not get the booking. Yeah, that's fine. Snowfall is going heavier and heavier. I don't know why people are not coming to now. Even in the casino you see parking, it's not full. Generally at this time you'll find it, and today on 31st December you don't see it full. That doesn't look good. But let's go. One thing I like about this place is like there's ample parking. No shortage of whatsoever. If you can hear the music in the background, there's so many Indian restaurants. Like just 5-6 years back, if you come, there were hardly few. But see here, it's a fine Indian cuisine, and you can hear Indian music also. And just few more stores ahead, you have Rajdhani. Wow, it's a very popular chain, a vegetarian chain. Let's see if this is these restaurants are open, but to be honest, in all these restaurants, not only in just Indian, I don't see much crowd. Hardly I find a few. You can hear the music. So this is Rajdhani. It's open, and I see only one table occupied. Wow. 31st, this doesn't look like 31st December at all. Okay, now we are reaching the famous Clifton Hill area, and this is Guru. This is also another Indian restaurant. Just in this small stretch we find 3 Indian restaurants back to back. Here at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables I see occupied. Okay, I have reached this Clifton Hill area. I'll be crossing the street in some time and going to the other side where all funny activities are here, including the SkyWheel. Okay, you can see Sheraton SkyWheel. Okay, I have crossed the street and now walking towards the attractions. Frankenstein, left side, replace, selfie studio, some restaurants here. That's Tim Horton. This is always busy. This opens at 7 and closes at 12. Tonight it may open for long. You can see Great Canadian Midway, Castle Dracula, SkyWheel just there. You see how high it is. Game zone, family restaurant and Turf Lodge. I wish I could stay at this place someday. It's very convenient.